tall tree. A tiny bird, named Pico, peered over the edge of his nest. The sky was wide and blue, but his heart trembled. He wanted to fly, yet fear held him back. One morning, his siblings leapt out, flapping their wings. "Come on, Pico," they chirped. Pico shook his head, claws gripping the nest. His heart raced, but his wings stayed folded. Then, a soft breeze brushed his feathers. It felt like a whisper, "Trust yourself." Pico closed his eyes, spread his wings, and jumped. The wind lifted him. His wings caught the air, and suddenly he was soaring. Below him stretched the forest, green and endless. Joy bubbled inside him as he sang. Pico had discovered his courage, and the sky was now his home.